Department of Extended Learning, Minnesota State University Mankato presents, in collaboration with the Department of Family Consumer Science, Minnesota State University Mankato, and Sodexo, a world leader in food and facilities management services. A new online course in food service management with registered dietitian Dr. David Bissonnette and sous chef Brian Weichert. The Department of Extended Learning, Minnesota State University Mankato, now offers a unique opportunity to learn about managing a food service operation within a healthcare setting. With the rising prevalence of obesity and increased healthcare costs, it is now timely to learn how to manage a food service operation within chronic care facilities or within hospitals. Your online instructor, Dr. Bissonnette, will take you through the steps of menu development, recipe standardization and costing, total quality management, quality control, and food safety. The role of nutrition has never been more important as healthcare facilities struggle to provide optimal nutrition in a cost-effective manner. Dr. Bissonnette is a registered dietitian and obesity researcher who will assist you in planning menus that meet the energy and nutrient needs of patients and maximize rehabilitation.